Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a red leather belt from Fendi. Basically just says that you have 14 days to return this product. It says thank you to your client for buying on Fendi.com. We're always blah 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 blah. Here's your shipping information. It says red leather belt. Return slip. Here's what comes in the box. This to be just a Fendi bag. Some tissue paper. And then your Fendi roll bag. Inside there is an envelope. This is a mixture of leather colors. The leathers are now natural. Great care should be taken when storing to ensure parts with different colors are not left in contact with each other. Twist it, transfer to the other. Like this. Got the solid silver with the red leather, but also available with reversible black. I'm going to now try on the belt. Overall, really well made. You can see that there. Focus. Yep, and even the back black side. A lot of attention to detail is really nice. I really like the subtleness of the size of the belt buckle itself compared to the Gucci one I have and some of the other designer brands that it's something more subtle. Definitely you want to wear it on the weekends with something red. Definitely want to look nice and flashy and loud, but then turn it around and you got just a normal work belt. Or even just to wear with black when you go out. Looks really nice. Thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I will be traveling to LA next month, so I'll be doing some shopping in Beverly Hills. I'll definitely make a video about what I buy there. Thank you.